Kelly Phillips here. Wanted to talk with you today as to why your mortgage payment might change post-closing. Here you signed off on what you thought was a 30-year fixed loan, but your payment's changing. Why is that? Well, the two main factors are your property taxes and your homeowners insurance. Those two tend to go up year over year. So what I do is I take a look at my tax bill when it comes out and my homeowners insurance declarations page whenever it comes up for renewal. I take those amounts, divide it by 12, add them together, and make sure that that's what's being placed in my escrow account each month. Also wanted to talk with my South Carolina friends. There's two rates of assessment for property taxes in South Carolina. One is if you live in the property as your primary residence, that's the 4% rate of assessment. The other is if you do not live in the property as your primary residence. It can be a second home or an investment property, it doesn't matter, but that's at a 6% rate of assessment. So the difference between those two equates to approximately 3 times the amount from a dollar standpoint. So you might get $1,000 a year for property taxes for owner occupied and $3,000 a year for property taxes for non-owner occupied. Here's the kicker. If it is your owner-occupied residence, if you live there, you need to apply for that tax break. It doesn't just happen. So make sure about 60 days or so post-closing. You don't want to go too early, so I would wait about 2 months or so the county can have time to record the deed so they know that you're the owner of record, and go in and apply for the 4% rate of assessment for property taxes. That's very, very important that you do that, because if we set your loan up as the owner-occupied rate of assessment for the taxes and you do not apply, then your mortgage payment's going to increase and that tax bill that comes out is going to be substantially higher, and we're going to pay that. And then we're going to come knocking at your door for the difference in that money. But the good news is you can actually get some of that refunded back to you, I believe, for 2 years, but check with the county to make sure. So short and sweet of it, the biggest driving factors for alterations in your mortgage payments post-closing are as a result of your homeowner's insurance or your property taxes. Feel free to call me anytime. I'm here. I'm happy to help with any questions or concerns you have. And I hope you make it a great day and hope this was helpful information.